I was looking for a walking pad to get in a lot of extra steps during the day, and I got this one and it is perfect. Let me tell you why.
When you first get the box, you'll notice that it is very well packed, so you know it's cared for. It does come with a user manual, and the remote also comes with batteries, which is so nice. And then it also has a little wrist loop. Here are the 4 regular sized feet, and then it does come with lubricant and a tool so that you can lubricate the belt. There is the on switch. Here I am putting on the 4 feet. It already comes with 2 pre-put on, so there's 6 total. So here I am starting to walk. I'm using the remote to press start, and it starts very gradually, and then you can press the increase button to make it go faster. I've obviously sped up the video for time purposes, and now I'm at the full speed of 4 miles per hour for running. And then when I'm all finished, I can press stop, and it will gradually slow down to a walk and then even to a stop. Or I could just use the remote to lower the pace if I wanted to do a cool down. That's a great option as well. This is such a good piece of equipment. It is so quiet and it's so comfortable. Here I am adding the taller feet. So you can see there is 2 in the middle that are slightly taller than the back, and then there's 2 in the front that's slightly taller than that. And then here, I'm not on the treadmill, but it is running, and it does sense whether you're on it or not. So you can see that the time was stopped there, but it does keep track of speed, calories, time, and distance. And the remote does have the pause button, so it will keep track of your current status, stats, and it won't just erase everything, which is really nice. And it also has a button to turn the beeping off, which is great.
If you're looking for something that's affordable, durable, and easy to use, this is going to be an excellent choice.